Welcome back. Child care locations do not have conducive atmosphere for children. It is a known history that children shifted to Apna Ghars turn out to be criminals. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has made these remarks while stressing the need for state foster care scheme. Government has also proposed Goa technical vocational training to sex workers. Both these schemes were deferred on Friday following queries raised in the cabinet. Both these schemes will be finalized in the next cabinet meeting.
फोस्टर केअर स्कीम आश्रय आणि गोवा ट्रेनिंग टू सेक्स वर्कर्स एंड सेक्शुअली अब्यूज्ड वुमेन स्कीम 2003 both scheme have been deferred to next cabinet for further comments if any by the काही विषय आयले समोर की तातून मातशी चड काळजी घेवपाची गरज आहा. So all cabinet minister decided that we go through it again. Duration of foster care, emergency placement, temporary short-term placement, long-term placement till the child attains the age of 18 and can be extended up to 21. Assessment placement. So if there is an emotional bond developed between the child and the foster parents, then that can be a problem to break that bond. It will exactly be against the very essence of the scheme. So we are just going through it again, and next week is not approved. Cabinet decided to get it back next week. Orphan astashe parents cannot take care because of some reason. So in different circumstances, you can't leave the kid on the road. And if you take him to Apna Ghars, he probably gets converted into a criminal. But this is not a case of our Apna Ghars, it's almost case of, it's known history across world that those child care locations are not really good conducive atmosphere for a child. दूसरा डिफर केला ती गोवा टेक्निकल वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग टू सेक्स वर्कर्स एंड सेक्शुअली अब्यूज्ड वुमेन स्कीम 2013 Prabhat. This is one of the scheme. Goa was the first state to devise this scheme. Again, we took 1 week time to ourselves to go through it and suggest some minor modification. These are very sensitive social schemes.
A jackfruit tree uprooted on a dwelling of Gilo Gaonkar on Thursday night. This incident occurred at birthday Kotigaon. Luckily, family members in the house are safe. Gaonkar has estimated a loss of 2 lakh rupees. He alleged that despite several complaints to Kotigaon Panchayat to chop the tree, no action was initiated.
किती झाले राती
एका सुमार मोडून पडलो वारे नासतरे
मोडून पडलो पणसाचो कोण आशिल्ले तुमी घराक
हय आमी सगळे आयले घरा
कोणा मार बी लागला
मार कोणा लागला फायर ब्रिगेड आपयली
फायर ब्रिगेडीन क्लियर केलें झाड मार पयलीं कोणा सांगलें बीन
हय
पंचायती सांगलें केन्ना सांगलें एक म्हयनोभर जालो
एक म्हयनो चड जालो
मग काय मारपाक कोण येवना
फायर ब्रिगेड केन्ना पावली
7:30 पावली
कितलें लुकसाण बी कितलें जालें म्हणटा तें
हय सगळे गेले न्हू नवळे
घरांतले सगळे गेले
तुका कितलें लुकसाण जालें दिसता घराचें
अशें 2 अडेज इतले जातले
2 अडेज आनी भितर सामान कितें भिजलें तुगेलें
तांदूळ सगळे भिजले
तांदूळ भिजले
शेगडी गेली गॅस
आतां तूं घरा रावपाक शक्य ना
आतां खंय रावता
खंय रावता तुमी
आतां भावागे बापून
कितले घरान कितले जाण उरताले
6 जाण रावता.
The High Court has issued a notice to the Goa government in the Goa Public Service Chairman appointment case. The bench on Friday heard a petition challenging appointment of Kurupati Dwarkanath Rao. Petitioner has alleged that the process of appointment of Kurupati Dwarkanath Rao was unconstitutional. Petitioner claims that Kurupati Dwarkanath Rao is a relative of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar.
The High Court on Friday issued a notice to the Goa government after hearing a public interest litigation challenging appointment of Kurupati Dwarkanath Rao as the chairman of Goa Public Service Commission. Petitioner in person, Advocate Iris Rodriguez, argued that state government has not followed the proper selection process as there was no selection committee formed as per rule. Petitioner contended that selection rule was ignored as Kurupati Dwarkanath Rao is a relative of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar. The High Court has given 2 weeks' time to the state government to file its reply, as it has fixed 5th July as the next date of hearing. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.